everyone, welcome back. So good to see you here. I just have a really quick Dollar Tree haul for you guys. There's a little bit of everything, but one amazing, surprising thing, which I guess depending on whether you would use this thing or not, would be amazing or surprising to you. So the first thing I want to share with you is this book, and it's called The Chelsea Market Makers. And look how cute that is. The cow on the cover is made out of cheese. So Chelsea Market is a place in New York. You can either go there to buy ingredients to cook, or you can go there and eat something. But this is recipes, tips, and techniques from the artisans of New York's premier food hall. And guys, they have everything in here. Just to give you an example, there's the categories in the book: apples and other fruit, butter and cheese, cocktails and infused spirits, donuts, brownies, fermentation and pickling. I found a recipe for kimchi in here, kitchen equipment, lobster, fish, and oysters, roux, stocks, and sauces. There's a category for sweets, tea and coffee, vegetables, wine, xanthan gum and other gluten-free essentials, yogurt. There aren't a ton of pictures in here, but what there are in here, they look incredible. Here's a lobster roll that looks fantastic. Yeah, so this was the only copy that I saw there. I don't know if they had more. It's a herb and flour salad there. Looks amazing, but this is what the cover looks like. This originally retailed for $29.95. Here's the, I don't know if you, I'll get out of the way so it'll focus. Just in case you're interested in getting this, here we go. So the next thing is kind of related to this thing right here. I found these little dishes. This one says Nap Queen, and then this one is just a pair of lashes. But I'm going to use these for a DIY, so they won't look like this much longer. They just fit the size and the shape of something that I needed. The next thing is going to be, I'm modeling it for you right now. It's this a cute little headband, and here it is. So this is what the black one looks like, and it has a little bit of sequins just on the outer part here, and then the stretchy part is there. And this is the Scunchie, those people right here, that's their brand. And then I also found this gorgeous one. It is gold. And this one, which is a blush pink. Okay, really cute. And then I don't know if Dollar Tree has always had these. This may be, they may have had it and it's just my first time noticing it, but I found this Greenery Collection fruit and veggie scrubber, produce scrubber. Have you guys seen these before? I'm gonna open it up, see what it looks like. You get 3 cloths per package, so 3 for $1. So you have this side that is bristly, you hear that? And then this side that's more terry cloth like. And like I said, you get 3 in a pack. So I'm gonna give these a try. Oh, they kind of shed a little bit. It says rinse thoroughly after washing and air or machine dry. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. A chemical-free way of cleaning your favorite fruits and veggies. You use the rough side to scrub away dirt and pesticides, and the smooth side to dry and polish for a beautiful shine. I guess that's if you're gonna put the apples in a bowl so they'll still look shiny and pretty. And then I found these bowls. They're like soup bowls, I guess. They have the little dots all the way around. And I picked up 2 of these, and I love these when I make chili, when I make soup. And then also I found these McCormick veggie marinade mixes. I found this one in basil and balsamic. It says limited edition. And then I found chili lime. So I can't wait to give those a try. Then I found this, and it was the only one that I could find. It is Organic Seeds of Change Taco Roasted Chipotle Simmer Sauce. So what it says on the back is, it says in a skillet, cook 1 pound of chicken, beef, vegetables, or other protein until completely cooked through. Add the entire contents of pouch to the skillet and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce is heated through. Use as a filling for tacos, burritos, a topping on nachos, or add to a salad for a complete meal. I'm gonna give it a try. It looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, and then I saw these really nice flex fabric bandages in a camo print, which I thought was really cute. So I picked up one of those. And I found these rocks in the garden section, which just, I'm gonna cover up my face because if you guys don't know, I record with my phone. I don't have a camera. So if my face is in the screen, the phone camera will try to focus on my face and it won't focus on what I'm trying to show you. So I found this bag of stones and rocks in the garden section, and I'm not sure what was happening with these. I only saw this one. It's like a moon, a star, a heart, the sun, and then just regular rocks in there as well. When she scanned this, because look at the packaging on it, right? No Dollar Tree, anything. When she scanned it, it kind of beeped, and she had to ask her manager a question about it, and they scanned it and just kept going. So I don't know. I haven't seen another one since. I don't know where they got it from. She couldn't really answer a bunch of questions for me. So if you see them and you want them, pick them up. I'd never seen them before and I haven't seen them since. And like I said, it was just this one bag that I got. If anybody recognizes this garden logo from somewhere else, maybe you can drop me a comment below and let me know where you recognize it from, because it does not look familiar to me. There's no other branding on it. So okay guys, the big finale. This is what you've all been waiting for. I'm being dramatic. I found Rust-Oleum spray in Dollar Tree. Not just one can, 2 cans in one package. And I bought 3 for a total of 6 cans. It is this, the Rust-Oleum Never Wet Multi-Surface. So basically, it creates a hydrophobic surface. I'm just reading what it says in the back. The word hydrophobic just isn't in my vocabulary. I was just reading it off the bag. So basically, it prevents water, mud, and ice from sticking to multiple surfaces. And the example that they give in the back is the boot, So you have, this one is untreated, that one is treated. And it says you can use it on metal, concrete, wood, also great for aluminum, galvanized metal, PVC, masonry, asphalt, vinyl siding, plastic, fabric, leather, canvas, and more. But before you spray it on your clothes, it does say that they don't recommend it for clothing. I did read that somewhere. I'm really excited about this, guys. It says it's a super hydrophobic treatment that dramatically repels water, mud, ice, and other liquids. This revolutionary new class of coatings cause water to form nearly perfect spheres which roll off the surface, keeping items dry and clean. Wow. Okay. So it's a two-step process, which is why there are 2 containers in there. And it says frosted clear, which I guess, oh, it does say back here that it can leave a, it sprays clear and it dries to a flat, light haze, and it may leave a slightly chalky feel. The use is interior and exterior. Oh, here's where it says fabric, leather, and canvas, dries till milky haze, not recommended for use on clothing. So all that information is like up here in this part. All right, guys, what a great find. Rust-Oleum product in Dollar Tree, and to get this treatment for $1. So there is a little QR code there to scan, so you can scan it and get more information. Sometimes when I'm in a store and I find a product that I'm not familiar with, when I do find the QR code, I scan it, and usually there's a commercial or just more information about the product on how to use it or what it is, and it helps me decide whether or not to buy it. I did buy 3 of these. Now, they don't last forever. When you start to see water not bead off, then you would reapply the application. But I think what a great use, first of all, is shoes. You want to protect your shoes against damage, especially if you have something like, if you have nice shoes, because it does work on leather as well. So that's it, guys. This is my big surprise find. I did buy some other things from Dollar Tree, but those items are mostly for DIYs or items that you've probably seen a million billion times and don't need to see one more time. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed this tiny little haul, and maybe you saw something that you will be looking for on your next trip to Dollar Tree. Keep your eyes out for my next DIY coming up. And I did want to say thank you so much. You guys have had such an amazing response to my 2 compass projects. I will leave the links to those videos in the description box below, and I will also add end screens for them at the end of this video, so you can just click right to them after this video is done. Thank you guys so much for helping to support my growing channel. I really appreciate your encouragement and your kind words. I do read all of your comments, and I'm just so grateful and thankful to have all of you here with me. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, which is amazing. And just FYI, once we do get to 5,000, I will be hosting another giveaway. So it will be open to subscribers. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so YouTube will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. That is how I announce my giveaway winners, is through video. So you want to make sure that you are aware when I've uploaded a new video, so when the winner is announced, you never know, it could be you. I want to thank you guys again so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. And then give me a thumbs up.